With data rates and overall demand increasing for data centers, telecommunications, and networking, there's a need for high-density connectors that increase performance, improve operational efficiency, and decrease costs. Molex Mezz Pro connectors, available from Mouser Electronics, support data rates up to 112 gigabits per second per differential pair, with up to 270 differential pairs with wide ground pins in a space-saving high-density pin field. They're available with multiple mating heights and can be used in flex cable lengths for flexible architectures and relaxed tolerances between boards. Molex Mezz Pro connectors feature a robust hermaphroditic shrouded housing design that protects pins, supports blind mating, and eliminates the need for separate mating parts for a simpler BOM and reduced inventory management. The connectors feature a stitched BGA contact structure that offers cost savings compared to insert molded connectors.
Mezz.